Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, there is a new stealth model in the market and its name is Aurora Alpha, and this model is present on Open Router. It is available for free to use, and the experience that I have got from this model is really very bad. I have wasted my 20 minutes of valuable time behind this model, and after that the output that I have got actually very bad. Okay, so they have written on this post that this model is built for coding assistant, but this model is not really based for coding. Means I don't know that how can I express my feedback about this model, but the output is really very bad. Okay, so here you see they have written Aurora Alpha is an extremely fast reasoning model. Yes, it is actually correct that this model is lightning fast. You will get your output very fast, but the output is not following your prompt. So I have tested this model inside VS Code. I have used client extension. You can use RuCode, KiloCode, any of the extension. And after that, go to your settings for this plan or act mode. Select this API provided as the open router and select this model Aurora Alpha and provide the open router API key. And I hope that you know how to get the open router API key. So those who don't know, go to your open router profile. On the right hand side you will find this keys option. Click on this keys, and after that click on this create API key, and here give a name and click on this create, and you will get your API key and place that API key here in this plan mode and act mode. And here you see that the prompt I have given is this one: create a modern, responsive, and visually appealing front-end website using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And this is a requirement, and code should be production ready. And the output that I have got, see this. This is the output. Okay, this is the output. On the right hand side you see that there is a toggle for dark mode and light mode theme. So if I click on this toggle, here you see this is the output. Okay, it is not perfectly working, and also this is not that much attractive. Okay, so this is a kind of Gork type model that I am expecting, because Minimax already have done the great job in their previous release model, and GLM output is very good, and also DeepSeek version 3.2 last model was very good. So the coming version 4 model from DeepSeek will be the best model. And so when I tested this Gork model for the last time, okay, the last version, there I found this kind of experience that Gork model was very fast, but the output was not that kind of up to the level. Okay, so here also I am experiencing the same thing. So my guess is that this model is from the Gork model. Okay, now what are you thinking? You please comment down below, and also let me show you another output. So you know that some days ago I made the video on this Pony Alpha. Okay, so this was the video. Where is that? This is the Pony Alpha free Opus 4.6. So if I show you the output, okay, so here you see this is the output. This is the output from the Pony Alpha. Okay, this is the output. Now you tell me which one is best. Pony Alpha is best, or this Aurora Alpha is best? Obviously, this Pony Alpha is really very best and production ready. Aurora Alpha is not for coding according to my testing. You also please test it and let me know your feedback, your thinking in comment section. And otherwise, this model is really very fast and real-time conversation purpose. This model can be used, and for the agentic workflows also. Okay, and otherwise when they will publish the model publicly, then only we will able to know that who is the actual provider. But my guess is this is from the Gork, because they are also preparing to publish their another new version model. So let's see. If you want to get this type of latest updates in AI, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and also like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.